What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the MockingBird workshop. This little quad here runs BetaFlight 3.4 with project MockingBird V2 settings. In this video I will show you some flight footage of the setup and then walk you through the flashing and configuration of the flight controller. I will not talk about the hardware in this video, but if you want to copy this build, there's a link to the part list in the video description. But at first, let me show you some flight footage to show off how awesome this configuration flies and also to point out the issues I have with it. It's snappy, locked in, precise. Much better than any other firmware configuration that I've flown before on this platform. However, it shares two main issues with previous versions of BetaFlight. Look at this. I pull out of a dive and it kind of loses it. Happens every time I fly this maneuver. And issue number two, when I crash into something, the flight controller gets confused for a little while. Seen that? It went sideways for a second, even though I had the stick centered. For reference, this is with air mode enabled. So to those of you working on either BetaFlight or MockingBird, if you have any ideas how to improve these issues, please let us know, either in the comments of this video or in the related forum thread. Apart from that, I really like this setup. Precise, snappy, helps me big time to ensure dominance in the jungle. These little bastards come into the chicken house and destroy the eggs. And you stupid hens aren't doing anything against it. Rah. Yeah, but I was talking about the flight controller setup. BetaFlight 3.4 with project MockingBird V2. Best I've flown so far. But what I really want to find out, how to fix this freaking out when pulling out of a dive. Alright, enough of that. Let me show you how to set this up. At first, you need to get yourself a copy of BetaFlight 3.4. At the time of making this video, BF 3.4 is not officially released yet. So instead of linking you directly where I got this file from, I put a link in the video description to a forum thread that we will update so you can get the latest version at the time of watching this video. As long as release is not official, you will need to click Flash Firmware Local in your BetaFlight configurator and point it to the file you have downloaded. Click on Flash, and while it's doing its thing, you can go and copy the setting dump, which you can also get out of the forum thread that I linked in the video description. The setting dump includes the hardware configuration, the PID setup, and the OSD settings. The only thing that needs to be done manual after that is the font update, if you want to have the same big font that you've seen in my flight footage. When that's all done, you can bind your transmitter and you're ready to punch some fresh air. That's it for the setup. If you like this video, please leave me a like below and share it with your friends. MockingBird Workshop, flight tips for the underdog. See ya later.